everyone! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Jessica Layos. Samahan niyo ako saan man sulok tayo ng mundo.
Just add 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 can condensed milk, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup flour. I am trying here rice flour. You can use flour. Cover and blend. Here is done. Now it started. Put it in the moulder. Just sprinkle the flour in the moulder. Then pour the ingredients. And after that, put it in the preheated oven. Cook in 40 minutes. And here is it. 14 minutes after. Ah, very nice. So delicious. It's totally crunchy. So we need to slice it. We need to remove in this side by side so that it will not sticky. So let's start to test.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye!